Good day everyone. This is my documentation for my planting process of the fruit-bearing trees. First, I dug the soil to prepare the spot for planting. Digging makes the ground softer and helps the roots grow freely while absorbing water and nutrients. After digging the hole, I got the excess soil from the hole. This made the space just right for planting and ensured that the plant would fit properly. After that, I placed the seedling into the hole and covered it gently with soil so it would be firm and secure. This sapling is the avocado. This sapling is the jackfruit. And lastly, this sapling is the mango. Here, you can see the plant is already in place, ready to grow and develop roots in the soil. I measure the plants in order to monitor their growth. To make sure the plant is safe, I placed fences around it. This protects it from animals and pests. This is all of the planting process I did. Thank you for watching my documentation.